Let me show you some useful tricks with the After Effects search feature. It's a fantastic tool that can solve seemingly complex tasks with just a simple click. Here we can search not only by name, but also by file extension. For instance, let's search for AI and you'll see only AI files. Or, for example, search for PNG, it will sift through all my clutter and show only PNG files. Also, with a single click in search, you can find missing effects. I click here and there they are. Missing effects are all the effects that aren't working right now in my After Effects on my computer. It's like someone gave me a project with lots of third-party effects that I simply don't have. And I'll see all the layers with these effects in one window and I'll just ask the person for this plugin. The same goes for missing fonts. With this search I can find all compositions and layers with fonts that I don't have on my computer. Well, I just replaced them with something better. Missing footage. I think you've already guessed it. Here I find all the footage that I don't have on my computer or have but moved them to another folder and lost the link. After Effects will show you the path to where all the missing footage are. Unused allows you to find all unused layers. Unused also includes compositions that are not used in other compositions. So it will include your main composition, which has millions of layers and other compositions, but it's not used anywhere. If you sort by name here, it will be a mess. Sort by type to see footages and compositions separately. And then there's used. Here, on the contrary, you'll find all the footages and compositions that are used in the project. So you're definitely not going to delete those footages. A few words about this search within a composition. It's just a super tool, and if you're not using it, it's like you're still in a kindergarten with After Effects. Here, with one click, you can also search for missing fonts and missing effects. The other items in this drop-down menu are like hints about what and how you can search for. For example, on this layer, I need to change the stroke width for one of the shapes. I could dig into the contents and search for the right rectangle and then the right stroke for a long time, but I'd rather just select that layer and type stroke in the search. All the stroke width on that layer are already expanded. It's like a magic. I can select 3 different layers with control in which I want to search for example, position. Awesome! I can see this parameter for all the selected layers at once. Moreover, by changing the position of one layer, I'm changing the parameter for all the selected layers. But I also want to see their scale. No problem. I'll just type scale separated by a comma. Now I see both position and scale. Damn, it's a dream come true, isn't it? And when I don't have any layers selected, the search will be conducted across all the layers. Makes sense? Absolutely. Let's try text. Super. Color. Here in front of me, everything that was once colored. Fantastic! Well, let's wrap it up by making a promise to each other. Let's use the After Effects search more often to simplify our lives and speed up our work. And since we've been talking about making life easier, I invite all of you to try our plugins for After Effects and Premiere Pro. Trendy transitions, graphic effects, motion presets and even sound effects. It's all in one separate window of your After Effects or Premiere Pro. Just reach out with your mouse and voila, say goodbye to those extra hours of manual work. Anyway, I've been chatting way long enough, so that's it for now. Oh, and please hit that like button. Thank you.